for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, compass, electronic stability control, fog lights, trip computer, Sirius Satellite Radio, remote keyless entry, brake assist, HD radio. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.